Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to install the Happn app. The process is really easy. I'll show you how. Let's get started. So first of all, open Play Store if you are on Android device and open App Store if you are on iOS device. This is the homepage of Play Store. On the homepage, you'll have to tap on the search bar at the top, and on the search bar type Happn and press search. So this is the app we're looking for, the one at the top. Now you'll have to tap on the install option and wait for the app to get installed. Meanwhile, let's talk about the app. So Happn is a local dating app. You can connect with whoever you want and go on date. The app is really fun to use as well. Okay, the app is almost installed now. Let's wait for a few more seconds. And as you can see, the app has been installed. Now all you have to do is tap on the open option and you'll be directed to the app. Then you can create an account and start using it. So this is it for the tutorial. I hope it was helpful. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for further tutorials. Thank you.